Hi viewers, I'm doing my vlog really late again. It's 1:09 a.m.
I was just making my bed.
But we're messing around in the hallway again.
So we're going like 50 miles an hour right in front of me.
This is Minnesota. That's that guy. That's Avery. Garrett. No, I got your names mixed up. I got the names mixed up. Stop it. Stacy, you guys know her. That's Wayne. Wayne the Wiener.
Last time you made a video, I was on pants down.
And then this is Connor, the RA.
I think I can relate to you.
Yeah, this is my vlog.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm trying to do daily, but I forgot yesterday. Go for it. Get me viewers.
Did I get you viewers? I think I'm gonna go chill out, guys. He's ready.
Well, that's why I could hear myself. I had the test audio thing on. That was really kind of confusing me. Okay, I wasn't serious. Put it away. Put it away. Put it away or I'm going to take it away.
G2 and I were wearing them together.
Oh, I saw that.
You saw that?
Yeah, remember?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I was in my underwear, right? You had like this towel thing on. No shirt, and I had no shirt on, and I had this really tight pink sweater on. We were upstairs, second smoking block, and Caitlin and Elizabeth locked their keys in there. We were locked out. My pants are in their room. GQ's pants are in their room. We were outside for like hours.
You're ridiculous.
Yeah.
We should take care of that.
Okay, right now. We're in the middle of the hall.
I would just put the door away.
Yeah.
I just put the door away.
Yeah. Yoga?
Yoga?
Yeah, I'm home yoga. I had yoga.
8 minutes left.
Exactly. I can't.
I was concerned.
Not for like.
Yeah. He's not gay.
I'm not sad.
Not yet.
Not yet. We will change that.
Russell would get mad.
Russell hates gay people.
She's a homo.
Yeah.
I'm so mad at her.
That was so funny. Just walked
I
out.
felt targeted.
This was Russell was in the vlog. I went back to get my keys on my way out of the room for the White Bear. I forgot my wallet. So I go back in and I walk in and he's laughing at me. So I'm like, you know what, screw it. So as we're walking out, I like him and what's your name?
Are you talking to me or that?
That.
Okay, let me hear it.
No, what's her name? Like earlier as we were walking.
Just now?
No. The one when I told you Russell hated gay people.
Maddie.
Yeah, him and this guy Maddie were passing my door. I'm like, hi, this is Russell. He hates gay people. And they played along perfectly. And they're like, oh, that's cool. He's gay. I just walked off, pissed off his head. It was so funny. And Russell calls me later. He's like, dude, they really hate me. Like, legitimately, they hate me. I can see it in their eyes. And it's like, yes. The timing was so perfect, too. So yeah, we're just chilling out in the hallway. I have to feel another 6.5 minutes.
My mom sent me another picture of my parrot.
Oh God. Here's a ferret and her mom sends her pictures of it.
Look at it! It's on a ball. It's really cute. He flies on top.
I know, I'm just happy they're going
Sisterhood of the
on
Traveling
mine. I put them
Pig.
on, believe it or not. Those are on my ass. I just don't want those in my room anymore. I mean, I can figure out doing them anymore. Why would you take them in the first place? They were in my laundry.
They were attractive.
I don't know how they got there. I thought they.
Wait, I heard that they were in Stevie's room.
No. Okay, here's the story. Here's the story of the traveling. Okay, so this is right? One day the laundry, I'm like to take it out. I kept underwear, and it's still popping.
Did it.
It's not.
Yep. This is what goes on in McLeod Hall. Check it. McLeod Hottie.
What about my door?
Do it. Put them on the doorknob.
Put on the exit sign.
Put it on someone's doorknob.
Exit sign.
Yes. Dude, put it on the exit sign.
In my laundry. I pulled my stuff out of the wash machine and it's dry. I got upstairs.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't know what to
Oh.
do. I thought they were my roommate's joke.
Well, I need to grab my driver's kit. My stuff's probably done.
Just falling in my life. I'm gonna go to bed. You know how embarrassing it is.
Nope.
You're getting up at 7. 2 other girlfriends?
Yeah.
I ran out of things.
That'd be awkward.
I ran out of things to do with them. I mean, no.
Okay,
so I didn't do anything with them. I ran out of ideas for it. We were gonna make them into a flag and hoist them outside a window. What do you think about framing them, putting on the wall? What do you think about just mailing them to somebody on campus?
Oh, it's still not good. How about my board?
Okay, that was last time we didn't get into
No, they were on their pizza.
Oh yeah, I think that was Jared, we were filming around the stuff, we suggested we pick them on your board, and they all said not to, because they're kind of cool. Then
I was told that. What had happened is already.
and then I guess that happened.
You're the RA, you can't be to it.
I don't know what to do
I
with
got a
it.
kinda. I'll take it.
No, I mean, those pants are kind of fabric, I'm gonna make a headband. If Rambo can't use it,
I can wash colors and white together. This is white.
You don't need to use that.
dude,
You're
you
gonna
just
just like suck the color out this morning.
yeah, you just wash them together
It's gonna make your
anyway.
clothing age faster.
You can use color-based stuff and be okay.
Shut up. Jerks.
I'm a woman. I know my laundry.
You know my laundry too.
I've been doing my own laundry for years, and I do a hell of a lot of laundry, and that's what you do. Seriously, I have socks bigger than that.
Wait, it's not that bad.
Is it wet? Is it like out of the washing? No.
No, I'm
This
just
is fine. This is a normal tank top.
a normal tank top.
Yeah, I would wear this. This is
Okay,
my size.
I've worn a tank top that size once.
To the wall.
It was for a video for school, and
Back to the wall. I think that way. I can see it. Like that quest of this right now.
I can see a musical theater person like that.
Let's
Okay,
get
boy.
dated.
David is not gay. He's a musical theater major, so that's actually kind of fantastic.
Like,
I gotta lose all my tank tops now, and
I don't have one. This just makes it look like it. Because it complements my small body and makes my arms look really big.
I'm just gonna brush my teeth. I remember grabbing this. I'm just gonna brush my teeth. I'm gonna go back.
This looks like
I
a
don't
good
put it
idea.
on tank top.
And then all of a sudden everyone was aroused.
I don't want that.
And take you back.
Good.
Hey, yeah, you keep it.
Good.
Alright. The underwear is kind of fun to go off with ideas for it. That's just,
What's the tank top?
it's tank top.
I've been wearing that around one day just because I just got up. And they're like, it's a tank top.
You thought that would have on the hat too, though.
Yeah, and then I found it, he's like, oh sweet, took my hat.
Oh.
Okay, I'm going to bed. Good night, guys.
Night.
Alright, I'm just gonna brush up my teeth.
Here.
Yeah. Watch.
Like a real man.
Do it. So hot. Oh gosh, I've been, look at that, he's brushing his teeth, guys.
We got back over here.
Watch out, guys. You don't take fire from no one. This is what goes on in McGlot at 1 a.m.
I feel like I should do right now.
It's going to. You know how you fix it? Put a milk tab on it. Well, you know how, not milk tab, you know how when you get a bag of bread, it has a little tab on it? Put that on the bottom of the thing and open it. I'm an engineering major.
That is a really good idea. Well, I didn't mean break like that, though. Like, see how, like,
No, you weigh like nothing. No,
I know, I've had
that's
these
my
flip-flops
hoodie.
since 9th grade.
My hoodie.
I've had these flip-flops since 9th grade. It took a toll.
Is this yours? Is it? I had it on and it said it was like a musical theater major. I love that song. Oh hey, we're at 10 minutes. Well, that was fun. Click the box in this corner. I did it again. Is that?
Yeah.
Click the box in this corner. Subscribe for more videos so I can learn to speak English right. Hey, hey.
Ow.
Such But yeah, I'm gonna go to bed, and then she's gonna go to her respective bed. I don't know. But yeah, click the box in this corner to subscribe for more videos, because I will be keeping to it. I have 3 minutes left on my battery, so I'm gonna probably pass that. I don't actually have anything else to say. So yeah, have fun, stay safe, don't die. Bye.